Hey guys, let's see how to connect this Tagry earbuds to a MacBook. This is the X08. So it's super simple. You just need to use the Bluetooth to connect. Here I have a MacBook Pro. Okay, so let me just connect this one. So super simple. Let me just come here to this Apple. Then I come to System Settings. And from here, I just need to look for the Bluetooth, right? So here I see my devices. Then I just need to come down and look for new devices. You see here, that's searching for new devices. To find this one, you just need to open the case. So I going to open the case here. And you see that's going to be findable, right? So I just wait for a while here. Look on nearby devices until I find the X08. That's the Tagry earbuds, okay? There we go. Found another devices here. And the X08 is just right here. So I just click here, connect. So it's connecting right now and it just disappeared from here. And when you go up, you see here, that's already connected. Okay, so super simple. And then I just need to test. When I put this on my right ear, I can hear the message that's connected. And then I do the same with the left ear. I put it here. And I can hear that's connected, okay? So basically working right now, I'm just playing some music here and it's working pretty fine. So that's the way you can connect your Tagry X08 earbuds to a MacBook. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.